Hello everyone, I'm Justin Ray, and on behalf of my group, I'm excited to introduce Marka. Marka is an academic progress tracker designed for both students and teacher. It is inspired by Google Classroom. Our app takes progress tracking a step further by making it more interactive and rewarding. For students, Marka allows you to track your class participation, attendance, and achievements. Unlike just marking tasks as done, you can now earn in-app achievements that add motivation to your learning. For teachers, Marka provides a built-in schedule tracker and an easy way to manage subjects, year levels, and section all in one place. A standout feature is the user profile and friend system, promoting engagement beyond just academics. Marka doesn't replace Google Classroom, but complements it. Think of it as an upgrade that gives deeper insights into students' performance. That's Marka in a nutshell. Stay tuned as we evaluate it through a heuristic evaluation that will be done by Alvarez and his groupmates. Thank you.
To start evaluating the app, tracking today, triumphing tomorrow, which I conclude that this is a progress tracking app. Now let's begin. Continue. The welcome message. Hi there, I'm Mark. Continue. I have one question for you. Continue. Let's pretend that I'm a student. Continue. Oops, there's an issue here that they don't have put an indicator whether you selected teacher or student, which will go to the issue of the visibility violation. No indicator. I wanna sign up with my email. Login, password, login. Then choose username. Create and this is the home page of the students. Here's the name, date, search bar, the progress, and this is the in progress work. This is the pending tasks. Then let's go to the in progress. This is the pending tasks, which I don't see any issue. We have clear mapping and clear constraints, the subjects of the project tracker. And this is the statistical data of the students' attendance, midterm and finals. And they have a good aesthetics here, creating a minimalist color and minimalist design. And this is the other profile page where you can add your friends, complete profile, and then check achievements. Add friends, and this is the people you may know. And the notification when you click this, go to this. Now let's proceed to the whether you click the teacher option, continue. Then phone, email, login. This is the teacher page, which will see that we have subject handled, tasks, schedule, and the people you may know, which are his or her students. Zero sa ano. No much, yes. User control and freedom, no issue. Consistency and standards, no issue. Error prevention, 1. Recognition rather than recall. Flexibility. Aesthetics, good. Help user recognize, diagnose, recover from errors. Wala silang error messages. Help and documentation, wala namang issues. Greetings, subject handled. But wala sila ditong nilagay na ano, na section, walang option na section dito. Just papatak siya sa issue ng visibility. Hindi na. Section, base info 1D. This is the progress of the students, which you can see the progress. View full list. add new tasks. If you click add new task, you will go to this page as add task title, description, and assign. And I don't know kung paano ma-access tong schedule for today kasi ito pala. Click this, then you go to this page when you click this. Yeah. So far so good, continuation. And sa visibility lang talaga siya nagkaroon ng running issue. And that's it. Thank you.